In today's video, we're going to be installing some hood struts for the Toyota Tacoma, so you no longer have to sit there and struggle lifting this bad boy. Let's get right into it. So everything you see right here is everything that we are going to need to install these bad boys onto the Toyota Tacoma. Now, if you own a Toyota Tacoma, you know that this is probably one of the biggest letdowns Toyota has done with the Toyota Tacoma. For some reason, we still have this clip here, and well, it takes an army of like 10 to open the hood itself. After this installation, it is going to be a walk in the park to open the hood, as it should be. These trucks are not cheap, and this is going to make it not feel cheap. Let's get started. I gotta say, I've worked with a lot of companies, and these are probably some of the best instructions I've ever seen. So we're removing this 10mm and then putting this guy in there, which is a 12mm. Next up, you have to put this screw in here. This piece right here, just push it out, it'll come right out. And then we just gotta tighten this bad boy down. Once you got it on there, it should look a little bit like this. Next, we gotta remove this and then put this plate in place. So you wanna have this clip facing the cab. You wanna have it inwards. Just tighten the bolt back up. It's the same bolt that came out that goes right back in. Now you grab the strut and you insert it like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in there just like that. Just go ahead and tighten this down. This is a 13mm. All you're gonna have to do is lift the hood ever so slightly just so that we can get that into there. Not sure if you heard that or not, but it went in super easy. And just go ahead and put this piece back down. Once you got it done on one side, just go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. It is very simple. And look, I'm literally gonna do this with one hand. That is so sick. I'm very impressed with the quality. I know there's some that you have to drill into your actual engine bay. I'm not a fan of that. I'd rather have plug and play. As you guys saw, just 2 screws right there, and you are all good to go to have this thing be hydraulically assisted. This is very nice. And just like that, it is taken care of. That hood is extremely heavy for anybody, and especially as you get older, you don't want to be outside lifting that thing over your head. The struts feel very capable, and I didn't record this part. I probably should have. Just one of them holds up the hood without a problem. So 2 adds that sense of security. If one goes bad, it's very unlikely for both to go bad, but they will be linked down below in the description. If you're interested, make sure to pick a pair up for yourself.